Good morning, dear student. Previous video we have seen once one of the friend of Bipin Babu. His name was Chunilal. Okay, he had came there to see Bipin Babu. Okay, and he was standing in front of his house, but Bipin Babu was not ready to see him. He thought that I thought he came here in the search of job. Okay, he was his Chunila, he had been school with him. Okay, दोनों वो एक साथ में पढ़े थे और उसको लगा ना वो I thought having a rough time, उसके ऊपर क्या आया होगा rough time मतलब bad, okay, bad days or you can say poor condition. That's why I thought he came here in search of the job, but I have no time or you can say it is impossible to help him. अभी मैं उसकी कोई भी मदद नहीं कर सकता. इस तरह से वो विचार कर रहा था. ओके, Bipin Babu sent word that not only it was not possible for him to see Chunni now, but not in several weeks, and through his servant, he sent a message through his servant. Now I have no time to see or to meet Chunni. Okay, now, but not in several week. Okay, several week में भी मैं उनसे मिल नहीं सकता, because now I mean you can say very bad condition, very confused mind. That's why I am not ready to see or ready to visit Chunilal. But as soon as the servant stepped out the room, और जैसे ही वो जो उनको बुलाने आया था कौन, सर्वेंट ऑफ बिपिन बाबू, वो जैसे ही वो रूम के बाहर चला गया, इट स्ट्रक बिपिन बाबू दैट चुन्नी माइंड रिमेंबर समथिंग अबाउट द 58 ट्रिप. उसको ऐसा लगा कि अगर चुन्नी को कुछ पता होगा कि 58 का ट्रिप में क्या व्हाट हैपन विथ हिम. ओके, मीन्स उसको लगा कि इफ ही नोज अबाउट द 58 ट्रिप, रांची ट्रिप, ओके, देर वॉज नो हार्म इन आस्किंग हिम. दैट्स वाई देर इज नो हार्म आस्किंग अबाउट द 58 ट्रिप. दैट्स वाई ही थॉट दैट उसके लिए कोई हार्म नहीं है कि उसको भी हम पूछ सकते हैं. मीन्स एवरी टाइम, ईच एंड एवरी टाइम ही वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट द रांची ट्रिप. Okay, Bipin Babu hurried down the stair and Bipin Babu hurried down. Okay, very hurriedly. Okay, he came down stair and into the living room. Chunni was about to leave. Okay, जैसे चुन्नी वासिफ जाने वाला था, but seeing Bipin Babu appear, he turned round hopefully. और जैसे ही उन्होंने चुन्नी बिपिन बाबू को देखा, okay, he turned round hopefully. Bipin Babu didn't bear about the bus. Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bus. Okay, dear student, the meaning of bus is came straight to point. Okay, he direct came to the point, came straight to the point. Listen Chunni, वो डायरेक्ट अपने पॉइंट को आ गया. Listen Chunni, I want to ask you something. I want to ask you something. Chunnilal was friend of Bipin Babu. Okay, listen once again. And he had came here in the search of the job. Okay, so he directly came on the point. Listen Chunni, I want to ask you something. You have a good memory. You have a good memory and you have been seeing me off and on for a long times. Okay, so Chunnilal, okay, you have good memory. Okay, you are very intelligent man and you know me very well. Okay, and you have been listening me off and on for a long time. Okay, और हम बहुत दिनों से हम मिले नहीं हैं. Just throw your mind back. Just throw your mind back. मतलब just throw your mind back, उसका मीनिंग होता है, ओके, जो मीन्स go in past tense में चला जाओ, and ask me and tell me did I go to Ranchi in 58. और कुछ बातें मेरे बारे में बताओ, क्या मैं 58 में रांची में था या नहीं. ओके, जस्ट थ्रो योर माइंड बैक. Chunnilal said 58, it must have been 58 or it was 59. He also said it must be 58 or 59. 58 or 59 भी हो सकता है. You are sure that I did go to Ranchi? आपको श्योर है मैं रांची में था. Chunni looks of amazement was not unmixed with worry. Okay, and Chunni said firmly. Okay, looks of amazement was unmixed with worry. Okay, कोई भी वरीनेस उसके चेहरे पे, उसके फेस पे नहीं था. Do you mean you have doubt about having gone to at all? आपको कुछ डाउट है आप वहाँ पे थे या नहीं? ओके, इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन सुनीलाल ने पूछा. Do you mean you have doubt about having gone at all? Did I go? Do you remember clearly? Did I go? मैं वहाँ पे था. आपको do you remember clearly? आपको बिल्कुल मतलब पूरा याद आ रहा है. Chunni sat on the sofa. Chunni sat on the sofa and Chunila sat on the sofa and fixed Bipin Babu with a long hard stare and said, Bipin, you have taken drug or something. And both okay sat on sofa, okay, and they were discussing about the Chunnilal okay memory as well as Bipin Babu memory, okay, because both were friends. And Bipin Babu was not, you can say, ready. He was in Ranchi in 58. Okay. So Chunnilal said, Bipin, have you taken a drug or something? आपने कुछ ड्रग लिया है या कुछ लिया है? हाउ बिहेव यू? हाउ आर यू बिहेविंग? ओके, यू डिडंट नो अबाउट योर रांची ट्रिप. ओके, यू सेड आई वॉज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन रांची इन 58. ओके, व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन? व्हाट इज गोइंग विथ यू? एज फार एज आई नो यू हैड अ क्लीन रिकॉर्ड वेयर सच थिंग्स यू आर कंसर्न. Okay, as far as okay, I know you very well. You was firmly in Ranchi in 58. Okay, your record, okay, I have very well. So I know that old friendship don't mean much to you, but at least you have a good memory. You can't really mean that you have forgotten about the Ranchi trip. मतलब okay, I am your old friend. Okay, I didn't thought okay you forgot everything about the past tense. तुम कैसे क्या बातें भूल जाते हो कि भूतकाल में क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ. ओके, यू आर माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. ओके, आई हैव अ गुड मेमोरी. ओके, आई नो वेरी वेल अबाउट वास्ट इंसिडेंट, विच टाइप ऑफ इंसिडेंट हैपन विथ यू इन पास्ट टेंस. एंड फर्मली आई एम टेलिंग यू फर्मली यू वाज प्रेजेंट इन 58 इन रांची. Bipin Babu had turned away from Chunni incredulous stare. Okay, but Bipin Babu okay was not ready to accept this answer of Chunni. Do you remember what my last job was? asked Chunnilal. और उनको एक क्वेश्चन पूछा. डू यू रिमेंबर? आपको याद आ रहा है? व्हाट वाज माय लास्ट जॉब? लास्ट में जॉब कौन सा कर रहा था? Chunni said, of course, you work in the travel agency. Where you was working? You was working in the travel agency. Okay, you remember that and you don't remember that it was I who fixed your railway booking for Ranchi. You remember that and you don't remember. Okay, you remember, try to remember. Okay, I who fixed your railway booking for Ranchi and I did your railway booking. Okay, means I was a person. Okay, I help you, I fixed योर रेलवे बुकिंग फॉर रांची. और रेलवे बुकिंग जो रांची के लिए थी ओके वो रेलवे बुकिंग मैंने खुद की थी. आई वेंट टू द स्टेशन टू सी यू ऑफ. एंड आपको मैं तुमको सी करने के लिए ओके तुमको देखने के लिए ओके आई वेंट देयर. वन ऑफ योर फैंस इन योर कंपार्टमेंट वाज नॉट वर्किंग. ओके, वन ऑफ द फैंस इन योर कंपार्टमेंट वाज नॉट वर्किंग. आई गॉट एन इलेक्ट्रिशियन टू फिक्स इट. एंड one of the fans okay fans okay fan means okay it was not working and in your compartment okay in the train I got an electrician to fix it and I got an electrician to fix it. और मैंने एक इलेक्ट्रिशियन को लाया था उसको रिपेयर करने के लिए. So means all these things okay all the incidents known very well by Chunnilal. He said that I fixed your railway booking of Ranchi trip and you when okay I went to see the station okay and one of the fans was working okay was not working okay in your compartment. That's why I got an electrician. मैंने इलेक्ट्रिशियन को बुलाया. and have you forgotten everything or and you forgotten everything. so ये सब बातें तो भूल गए. whatever is the matter with you, what is going on with you, what is matter with you. okay, have you taken drug or anything? you didn't look too well, you know. You didn't look too well, you know. okay, that's why I think you are not looking well. okay, something wrong happened with you. okay, something is wrong happening okay with you. So okay, in this way dear student, okay, next portion we will see next video or tomorrow. Okay, thank you.